The 2016 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power brakes, clock, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.